Hey y'all, so I'm coming on here to start the vlog. We're all leaving. We see me can't put myself together. Everybody, seriously, why? Stop eating your jacket, Papa. Me and Zany Pooh, we're matching. Well, we have black, but still we have brown on, and the girls and Daddy, they only have their coat on, so you can't see everything. But I came on here to start the vlog. Hi everybody, welcome back to the vlog. We're about to head out. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog none of that, but still, if I do get like a little footage of anything, I'll post it. I'll capture it, of course. But we're going to their little cousin's birthday. It's her birthday. Well, it's not her birthday today, but her birthday is in a few days. But they're having like a little family get together at the house for her. So we're about to go over there. Already put together everything. I'm dressed. We're with Panja as always. I got my diaper bag. Alright, let's see. Sometimes I don't have to really go over my diaper bag because I already have everything pre-done in there. I got my bottle warmer. Sorry, y'all. Alright, so everything. M&M. Oh, the M stands for Mom Cozy. Alright. Diaper bag set. Yes? No. No electronics. I'm gonna just try to find an excuse right now. But this is the outfit. All black with a hint of brown. And I think I'm wearing my brown wedged. So we're waiting on Ja. I'm gonna just fix my eyebrow and put on some mascara. As you can see, I'm still a little puffy. I'm gonna get enough sleep, but you know that is life these days. So we're waiting on Ja. Why I keep repeating myself? Okay, we know that we're waiting on Ja. Girl, I have milk for Papa. I think I have everything I need, but I'm thirsty. But yeah, me soon on our next clip. I gotta go. Shoot, we're late. So we're here. I just changed this guy's diaper and the kids are out there. Layla's with her cousins. I just came in here to change Zane's diaper. I was like, let me jump on. Most likely I'm not, because I don't really vlog the kids. It's just me. But yeah, we're just here. The kids are having a fun time. This guy's past his bedtime. Usually he's asleep by now. But yeah, we're just here. And now talk off in the head. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and check in. So, y'all.
The following day.
Good morning, guys. At this point I forgot what date it is, but it'll be here on the screen. Yeah, so we're in the car with Baby Bear. He's right there. I don't know if y'all can see him, but you should be able to see him. Yeah, we're going to his appointment and it's freezing outside. It is freezing. I hope I'm not forgetting nothing. I chose the early appointment because I always do early appointments, but with the kids being home, it would have been me and Ja, but the kids are off from school. They're on they'll agree to one child, but I'm not gonna do that. So they're home with Papa Bear. You okay back there? You can see me? Huh? Layla said he looks like a little bear because I have his little thing on. So I just came on here to continue the vlog from yesterday because yesterday I didn't have enough footage. So I'm continuing the vlog today. So now we get that soon.
15 minutes later.
Hey guys, so we are here. We got checked in. We're waiting for his doctor. We're gonna get shots today. Sorry, the angle is horrible, but I have Zany Pool in my hand. Say hi, Papa. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, he's down to his skivvies because you know they have to check him out. And he has to get undressed or whatever. So yeah. Yeah.
Now be careful if he's on the bed, the couch, because he might roll over.
I know.
From front to back.
I know. First, before they go forward.
Are you gonna eat the feet? Let me see on your tummy. Tummy. Lay down. No, lay down.
He's trying to get underneath.
He looks good, Mom. He's growing good. You're doing a good job.
Thank you. Look at this guy holding his bottle. I'm trying to feed him before he gets his shot. You holding your bottle, Papa? Yeah. Yeah. Such a big boy. I know. He was just crying. I know. But you're okay. You're okay. He's not having it. I'm filling out some stuff.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Alright, so finally got in the car. Papa Bear is still asleep. I have the heat going, not too high because he has his sweater thing on. I don't want it to be too hot. But I don't have my jacket on because me just get hot easy. I wanted to go get some coffee. Oh, he is sleeping. Best time for me to do that. Just go to the drive-thru real quick, get some coffee. You know, I might as well. Let's go get some coffee.
Welcome to Starbucks. What can we get started for you?
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Can I have a tall shaken espresso with white mocha, caramel drizzle, and a splash of heavy cream?
caramel drizzle, and what else?
A splash of heavy cream.
All right, anything else?
No, that's it.
51, we'll see you at the window.
Thank you. Yeah, I got my drink. I need to try that. It's really good. The sun is so harsh on my face right now. I always get a straw. I don't think they put enough caramel in there. Well, I don't want it too sweet anyway, but so good. Alright, so I got my coffee. This is so bomb diggity. So I'm in Target. Getting some last minute stuff. Well, we had got some diapers and we need different size. So I came to look about that. But in the process, in the provider so. This should on the next clip. Too much I go on in this place here.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, I just wanted to jump back on here real quick just to end the vlog because little man is grumpy from his shots this morning, and he's like even more attached to mama. Wanna say hi? Wanna say hi? Wanna say hi? No? Okay, he's looking at the flowers over there. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here to end the vlog because nothing more not happened today, and I just want to be there for him because he's really grumpy. You seem calm right now, but right before I turned the camera on, he was literally going ham. You okay, Papa? No? Yes, I'm just gonna end the vlog here today. The Black Brighty man. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Say bye. Say bye. No. Okay. All right, we're gonna go. Say bye bye.